Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through the easy process of logging into your Moz Pro account. Just follow these simple steps, and you'll be ready to access all the features Moz Pro has to offer. Step 1. Open your web browser. Begin by launching your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. Ensure you have a stable internet connection for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to Moz Pro website. Type in the URL for Moz Pro, which is www.moz.com, in the address bar and hit enter. This will take you to the Moz homepage. Step 3. Find the login button. Once you're on the Moz homepage, look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed. Step 4. Enter your email address. In the login form that appears, input the email address associated with your Moz Pro account. Double-check for any typos to ensure a successful login. Step 5. Input your password. Next, enter your password in the designated password field. Make sure that you enter it accurately, paying attention to uppercase and lowercase letters. Step 6. Click Sign In. After entering your email and password, click on the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Moz Pro dashboard. Step 7. Troubleshooting, if necessary. If you've forgotten your password or are having trouble logging in, click on the Forgot Password link below the login form. Follow the prompts to reset your password and gain access to your account. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tutorials.